Good morning. This is a model of Earth. Today we will learn the formation of day and night on Earth. As we know, the Earth is spherical in shape and revolve around the Sun. It takes 365 and 1 by 4 days for one revolution. The Earth rotates on its axis and complete one rotation in 24 hours. The axis of Earth is an imaginary line which passes through North Pole and South Pole. The top is the North Pole and the bottom is the South Pole. The axis of Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. The tilting of axis result in falling of direct sunlight on different places of Earth during rotation and revolution. This causes variation in the duration of day and night. Earth rotates from west to east. When a part of Earth faces toward the sun, it experiences days because the sunlight directly falls on that part, whereas the part opposite to it does not receive sunlight, therefore it experiences night. Suppose India and other nearby countries are facing toward sunlight, toward sun, therefore they are experiencing day, while North and South America, which are opposite to India, experience night because sunlight does not reach there at same time. Similarly, the country Africa, which locate right side of India, feel morning, and Australia, which locate left side of India, feel evening at the same time because Earth move anti-clockwise. One more interesting thing is that from March to October, sunlight regularly falls on Arctic Circle near North Pole. Because North Pole is tilted 23.5 degree toward the sun. The countries lies inside Arctic Circle such as Norway, Finland, Greenland, Alaska, etc. experience day till 6 months. At the same time, and on Antarctic Circle near South Pole experience night because South Pole is tilted 23.5 degree away from sun. But from October to March, the sunlight regularly falls on Antarctic Circle near South Pole because South Pole is tilted 23.5 degree towards sun during this period. So the Antarctic region experience day till 6 months. At the same time, the country lies inside the Arctic Circle experience night because North Pole is tilted 23.5 degree away from the sun. Thank you guys. I think you have learned the formation of day and night in different countries on Earth. Thanks for watching this video.